In this session, let us learn about HTML multimedia. Multimedia on the web is sound, music, videos, movies and animations. Multimedia comes in many different formats. It can be almost anything you can hear or see, like images, music, sound, videos, record, films, animations and more. Web pages often contain multimedia elements of different types and formats. Browser support. The first web browsers had support for text only, limited to a single font in a single color. Later came browsers with support for colors, fonts, images and multimedia. Multimedia formats. Multimedia elements like audio or video are stored in a media files. The most common way to discover the type of a file is to look at the file extension. Multimedia files have formats and different extensions like WAV, MP3, MP4, MPEG, WMV and AVI. Common video formats. There are many video formats out there. The MP4, WebM and OGG formats are supported by HTML. The MP4 format is recommended by YouTube. See format, file and description. MPEG, .mpg, .mpeg. MPEG developed by the Moving Pictures Expert Group, the first popular video format on the web not supported anymore in HTML. AVI, .avi. AVI audio video interleave, developed by Microsoft, commonly used in video cameras and TV hardware, plays well on Windows computers but not in web browsers. WMV, Windows Media Video, developed by Microsoft, commonly used in video cameras and TV hardware, plays well on Windows computers but not in web browsers. QuickTime, .mov. QuickTime, developed by Apple, commonly used in video cameras and TV hardware, plays well on Apple computers but not in web browsers. Real Video, .rm, .ram. Real Video, developed by Real Media to allow video streaming with low bandwidth, does not play in web browsers. Flash, .swf, .flv. Flash, developed by Micromedia, often requires an extra component plugin to play in web browsers. OGG, .ogg. The OGG, developed by the xif.org Foundation, supported by HTML. WBM, developed by Mozilla, Opera, Adobe and Google, supported by HTML. MPEG-4 or MP4, MP4 developed by the Moving Pictures Expert Group, commonly used in video cameras and TV hardware, supported by all browsers and recommended by YouTube. Note: only MP4, WebM and OGG video are supported by the HTML standard. Common audio formats. MP3 is the best format for compressed recorded music. The term MP3 has become synonymous with digital music. If your website is about recorded music, MP3 is the choice. See format, file and description. MIDI, .midi, MIDI, Music Instrument Digital Interface. Main format for all electronic music devices like synthesizers and PC sound cards. MIDI files do not contain sound, but digital notes that can be played by electronics plays well on all computers and music hardware, but not in web browsers. Real Audio, .rm. Real Audio, developed by Real Media to allow streaming of audio with low bandwidth, does not play in web browsers. WMA, Window Media Audio, developed by Microsoft, plays well on Windows computers but not in web browsers. AAC, Advanced Audio Coding, developed by Apple as the default format for iTunes, plays well on Apple computers but not in web browsers. WAV, Wave, developed by IBM and Microsoft, plays well on Windows, Macintosh and Linux operating systems, supported by HTML. OGG, developed by xif.org Foundation, supported by HTML. MP3, MP3 files are actually the sound part of MPEG files. MP3 is the most popular format for music players, combines good comparison, small files with the high quality, supported by all browsers. MP4, MP4 is a video format but can also be used for audio, supported by all browsers. Note: only MP3, WAV and OGG audio are supported by the HTML standard. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 62, multimedia. In next video, let us learn about another topic, video.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.